In this video, you will learn how to create a sales funnel on Shopify. First, choose a funnel app or builder. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for sales funnels like Zippy Pages, Funnel Builder or Cart Hook. Install the app that best fits your needs and your budget. Then, set up a landing page. Use your Funnel Builder app to create a high converting landing page. Make sure it includes a clear headline, product benefit, a strong CTA and trust elements like reviews. Add an upsell or a cross-sell page. After the initial product page or checkout, add an upsell or a cross-sell offer using your funnel app. Offer a complementary product or a bundle to increase the order value. Create a thank you and confirmation page. Build a thank you page that confirms the order and can continue a second offer, discount or social media follow button. Set up email follow-ups. Integrate your funnel with email marketing tools such as Shopify email to send cart abandonment reminders, product education, follow-up offers and even discounts. Finally, test and optimize your funnel. Monitor funnel performance in the app analytic dashboards. A/B test headlines, product images and upsell offers to improve your conversion rate and increase cart size. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.